Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instacart app for first order, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Instacart app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account using your email address or log in if you already have one. Allow the app to access your location for personalized shopping options. Choose your preferred grocery store from the list provided. Browse through the categories to find the items you need. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate specific products. Tap on an item to view details, including price and quantity options. Select the desired quantity and then tap Add to Cart. Continue shopping until you have everything you need in your cart. When you're ready to check out, tap on the cart icon at the top right corner. Review your items to ensure you have what you want. If you need to make changes, you can adjust quantities or remove items. Once you're satisfied, tap Checkout to proceed. Select a delivery or pickup option based on your preference. Choose your delivery time slot that works best for you. Enter your delivery address if prompted, ensuring it's correct. Proceed to payment options and enter your payment details. Review your order summary, including items and delivery fees. Confirm your order by tapping the Place Order button. You will receive updates on your order status through the app. Once your order is placed, sit back and relax while it's being prepared. When your order arrives, check the items against your receipt. Enjoy your groceries from your first Instacart order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.